Hello everybody, it's Jordan the Computer Scientist here, and today I'm going to teach you guys properties of logarithms. Now, as you all know from my failing calculus 2 video, I didn't actually fail, I dropped the class so I wouldn't fail. So in order to be more prepared for my class next semester, I'm going to teach you guys the parts of math that I know that I kind of struggled on. And by the time calculus 2 comes, I'll be better prepared. Okay, so the first property that I'm going to teach you guys is log 10 of m equals log m. So basically, anytime there's no base in the log is going to equal 10. So let's say you have log base 10 of 4. That is going to actually equal log of 4. It's the same thing. It really is. And log of 4 actually equals a number, but I believe I need my calculator for it. I'm not 100% sure. I'm not good at math. Okay, so the next property that I'm going to teach you guys is log base e of m equals ln m. So basically, anytime you have ln e, that's just log base of e. This really just means that log base e equals ln. That's literally just what that means. So the next property I'm going to teach you guys is a to the power of log base a of m equals m. No matter what, like no matter what. I'm going to give you guys a quick example. So we have 10 log of 5, right? And remember, log 10 equals log. So this is log base 10, a 10 10. And that is going to equal 5, no matter what. It's always going to equal, I don't even know what that number is called. It's always going to equal m. So 4 to the power of log 4 to the 6 equals 6. That will always happen. It's inevitable. Okay, so the next property that I'm going to teach you guys is log base a of a is going to equal 1, no matter what. Once again, guys, we have log of 10 equals 1. Because remember, if it's just log there, it's going to be a base of 10. So log of 10 equals 1. Log base 4 of 4 equals, say it with me, 1. Exactly. I know what you guys are thinking. Why are you so good at computer science, but you suck at math? So the next log I'm going to teach you guys is log base a to the m to the power of n is going to equal n times log a of m. Let's use some numbers so you can understand this more. So here we have log base 4 of 8 squared, and we're going to bring this 2 into the front. 2 times log base 4 of 8. So my next property I'm going to teach you guys is log base a of a to the m is going to equal m. Let me show you guys why. So we have log base 10 of 10 to the 6. What's this going to be? So under here, I'm going to bring my 6 to the front. I'm going to have 6 times log base 10 of 10. What's that? What's that going to do? It's going to cross out. This is 1. So this is 6 times 1, which is 6. Ha! You following me with that one? Sorry for the very sloppy handwriting, but I think this is very fun. I'm actually having fun teaching you guys math. This is very good practice. But yeah, basically, because the base and I forgot what this number would be called are the same, they are going to cross out and is going to equal 1, because remember, log base a of a equals 1. So the next property that I'm going to teach you guys is log base a of 1 is going to equal 0 all the time. So here we have log base 6 of 1. There's a couple of things in math that equal a certain thing, and it just is the way it is. This is just one of them that just is the way it is. if you have log base anything of 1, is going to equal 0, a big fat 0, just like I got on that last test, which is the reason I failed. Just joking, guys, just joking. I didn't get a 0. I got a 40. Okay, so the next property I'm going to teach you guys is log base a of m minus log base a of n is going to equal log base a m over n. Now this can also be like reversed, but I'm going to show you guys the first way of getting to it, and then I'm going to show you guys of getting back the way that it was in the beginning. That's confusing. So let's write some stuff. So I have log base 2 of 4 minus log base 2 of 3. This is going to equal log base 2 4 over 3. Now let's say we weren't even given this first portion at all. Well, you know that they equal each other. So all you're gonna do is just reverse it. So you're just gonna do log base 2, because it's right there, and then this is m. So you're gonna do 4 minus log base 2, and that's n, 3. My equals is horizontal, sideways, slanted. It's very cool. Honestly, I went over these a couple of days ago, so I forgot a lot of things. But basically, for this one, you're gonna have log base a of m plus log base a of n is going to equal log base a m times n. And the reason I said I don't remember everything in the beginning of that is because if I have two numbers, I think I'd just multiply them together, but I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure that's what I'm supposed to do. So like, for example, if I have log base 2 of 4 plus log base 2 of 8, I feel like the answer should actually become log base a of 32. I'm sorry, log base 2 of 32, but I could be wrong. Remember, I'm bad at math. Now I went over all 9 properties of logarithms, so I'm going to do a couple of problems with you guys right now. All right, guys, it's about to get real crazy. So I have log 10x cubed times y to the 4th minus log z. I'm just going to expand this problem out. Also, these problems are from when I'm using to relearn math, and hopefully I don't get in trouble. So right here I have 10x cubed y to the 4th. Now remember, okay, these all have to be added in order to get there. So I'm going to have log 10 plus log x cubed plus log y to the 4th minus log z. And that's that expanded. That's literally the answer. But it's actually not the answer, because we can simplify this further. Why can't we simplify this further? I'll tell you. So first things first, we have to bring this to the front and this to the front. And this is, remember, log base 10 of 10 is going to be 1. So now I'm going to have 1 plus 3 log x plus 4 log y minus log of z. And that right there is actually my answer. So right here I have, wow, hope you can read my handwriting. I have ln e squared over m squared n. I'm just going to spread this one apart. Ln e squared minus ln m squared n, because remember, we're expanding apart. So when you subtract, that's actually division, and division turns back into subtraction. Now, since both of these are in the denominator and you can see that they're multiplied, then these two are going to be added. So you have ln m squared plus n, ln n, my bad guys, minus ln e squared. And we're still not done, because remember, we can bring these to the front. So I'm going to have 2 ln e minus ln m squared plus ln n. And I made a mistake again. That 2 is getting brought down to the front. And remember, log of e is basically log e of e, which is going to be 1. So I'm going to have, I'll write it in this corner, hopefully it fits, 2 ln m plus ln n. And that right there is my answer, guys. That's not my answer, guys. I'm so sorry. So this negative is going to distribute through everything. So this actually turns into a minus. Therefore, this is actually going to be 2 minus 2 ln m minus ln n. Okay, so right here I have log of 2x plus 3 log of 2 minus 2 log 4y. I'm going to condense this one, guys. So remember, in order to reverse, this goes back up here because that's how it got there. It's because it was an exponent. So we're going to do log 2 of x plus log 2 cubed minus, oh, and this is also going to go up to the exponent. So it's going to be log 4y squared. Now, if we distribute this between 4y, we're going to have log 16y squared. And then 2 cubed is going to be equal to 8. So we're going to have log of 8 plus log 2x. Now, remember, these two can get multiplied. So we have log 2x times log 8. I'm sorry. Well, it's basically the same thing. Basically 2x times 8, which is going to be 16x. So we have log 16x minus log 16y squared. Now we're going to put this in the division, the division form that we went over earlier. Remember that, guys? I remember it. So we have log 16x over 16y squared. Now these two 16s cancel out because 16 over 16 equals 1. Now we're going to have log x over y squared. And boom goes the dynamite. That is our final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for allowing me to teach you properties of logarithms. Thank you for trusting me to do that. And I really do appreciate it. If you want more content like this, tell me, because after I finish Calculus 2, I'm not going to keep doing this. Unless you guys want me to, and that's the only reason I will. But I mainly do computer science stuff, basically coding in Java right now. I plan on learning a new programming language soon, but right now it's just Java. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be making more content for you guys. Thank you for watching. Jordan the Computer Scientist out.